In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clockify with Notion, a powerful combination for enhancing your productivity and organizing your workflow. We'll be using Zapier, a handy automation tool, to seamlessly link these two apps. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Zapier account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is quite straightforward, and once you're in, you'll be ready to set up your first workflow, known as a Zap. Now, to start building your integration, you'll want to click on Create followed by Zap. This action kickstarts the process of linking your chosen apps through a series of triggers and actions. Next, we need to decide on the app that will trigger this automation. You'll have two main options here. If you decide on Notion being the one that initiates this process, you'll set Notion as the trigger app. Then you'll need to pick a trigger event. Examples include when a new item is added to a database or when an existing one gets updated. Once you've chosen your event, connect your Notion account and select the specific database you want to keep an eye on. Don't forget to test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. On the other hand, if you prefer Clockify to initiate the process, you will select Clockify as the trigger app. Here you might choose from events such as a new time entry being made, a new project getting underway, or even adding a new client. Connect your Clockify account and pinpoint which workspace you want to monitor. Again, running a test is essential to confirm everything is set up accurately. With your trigger all configured, it's time to move on to the action app. This is where the magic happens. If Notion was your trigger, Clockify will be your action app. You'll select from options like creating a new time entry, starting an ongoing time entry, or even initiating a new project or client within Clockify. Make sure to choose the right workspace and project if necessary. Conversely, if Clockify is your trigger, you'll then set Notion as the action app. The choices here might include creating a new database item, updating an existing one, or finding a specific database item. You'll specify the destination Notion database for these actions to take effect. Now comes the part where we map fields from the trigger app to the action app, ensuring data flows smoothly between them. For example, a task name in Notion could correspond to the description field in Clockify. Similarly, you might map project names, tags, estimated hours, and status fields to their respective counterparts. After you've mapped out these fields, it's time to test your Zap. Click on Test and verify that everything works as intended, with data seamlessly transferring to your destination app. If the test is successful and you're satisfied with the setup, all that's left is turning on your Zap. Click on Publish or Turn on Zap, and just like that, your new integration is up and running. And there you have it. That's how you integrate Clockify with Notion using Zapier. This seamless connection will help you stay on top of your tasks and manage your time efficiently.